What are you doing?
I'm eating breakfast.
What are you doing?
I'm feeding the dog.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
What are you doing?
I'm washing my hands.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
What are you doing?
I'm drinking water.
What are you doing?
I'm drawing a picture.
What are you doing?
I'm writing a letter.
What are you doing?
I'm brushing my teeth.
What are you doing?
I'm singing a song.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my homework.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
What are you doing?
I'm watering the plants.
What are you doing?
I'm playing football.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking for dinner.
What are you doing?
I'm eating pizza.
What are you doing?
I'm drying my hair.
What are you doing?
I'm playing the guitar.
What are you doing?
I'm listening to music.
What are you doing?
I'm driving a car.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
What are you doing?
I'm going to work.
What are you doing?
I'm eating a snack.
What are you doing?
I'm painting a picture.
What are you doing?
I'm jumping on the bed.
What are you doing?
I'm washing my face.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for a bus.
What are you doing?
I'm watching a movie.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for my friend.
What are you doing?
I'm brushing my hair.
What are you doing?
I'm running.
What are you doing?
I'm exercising.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
What are you doing?
I'm riding my bicycle.